At the Food Lovers Marketplace, you can discover a range of Australian-made food and beverage products that are available in your local area. From the homepage, you can opt to shop by category, discover newly listed products, or shop all. Browse all products or add in your location and select the category of products you are looking for and wait to refresh. You can now see all cakes and bakes within a 40-kilometer radius. Adjust the radius to find products that are closer to you. You can then go ahead and select a product that's of interest to you. Not all products are set up the same depending on their delivery method. In this example, we'll look at an approach that requires a booking. You can see there's a description about the cupcake and some images which show you what it looks like. If you are happy with the product, select a delivery date, specify your quantity, and any specific dietary requirements that you may have. If you have any questions about the product, use the Chat Now button to contact the vendor. Before you make a purchase, check all relevant information. Under the description section, you'll see more information about the product. The shipping tab will show you the vendor's delivery locations, plus any specific delivery and return policies. The vendor info tab will show you information on the vendor. If you select the vendor, this will take you to the vendor store. You can also make a product inquiry. This can be used if the vendor does not have a chat option. Once you have checked all the relevant information and you are happy with the product, select Book Now. You can now head over and view your cart. On the cart page, you can select your delivery postcode to calculate shipping. If the product cannot be delivered to your area, no delivery option will be provided. You can then proceed to checkout, where you will fill out all your information. You can see your order total as well as your delivery and final total. You can now proceed to PayPal to checkout. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can pay using credit card.